Hi, this is Nissim. Today we have a new model, the Wan model, and I can say, like in the previous time, is the one of the good model of the video model that I saw. And I want to show you in this video about the image to video. Okay, so I will start with the examples of what I rendered. Each render take time. Okay, it take time. It took me around like 20 to 25 minutes, even 30 minutes sometimes, to actually render a video, and it take a lot of memory. Okay, I got to 42 gigabyte of memory with the new 8 bits, not the 16. It will take you not 42, it will take 25 gigabyte of memory, which is still a lot of memory. And it took all my 24 gigabyte of GPU entirely. So let's see the results. So here you can see a very nice case. I generated it with another model, because that model, the Wan model, does not give you very good images to start with. It's just doing good animation, good video, but not starting with a good image. So this is the first image, and this is the result. Another one, this is an image. You can see here the nice movement image, and you can see here the movement, very easy movement. You don't have so much movement, because you don't have here lots of particles moving, unlike the cat that was just jumping. This is another one. You can see everything is moving very nicely, like a shot. This is one, the image, and you can see the flies and birds. Okay, another one. It's very nice to give you some animation like you do with your iPhone. Like when you take a picture with the iPhone. Okay, you can see the image, the video itself. Here another image and the video. Didn't do lots of work with that. Was a very cool one. Look at that, about that. Now you can see that everything is moving fast, because I took it as 24 frames and not 16. It should be 16. And it did very good job here. Very good job. This is another image, and you see how it's moving a little bit with the wind. Another video. Very nice movements of the camera. Here, this is a image in the beach, and it made the water really good. Really good. This is a cat, and of course, it's flying. It was very cool. And a magician, starting from that image, and very nice one. Now, the installation itself. Let's see how to install it. First of all, you need to download all the model, all the VAE, etc. And you have link for this page and for the Hugging Face in the description. Okay. You also will need to upgrade Comfy. Do the upgrade Comfy. You have a link how to upgrade Comfy in the right way, in the safe way. So please take it, because you need Comfy 0318. And if you go to Comfy, click on the settings, about, you need here 0318. They fix lots of bugs, so you will need it. You have in the description the link for the video to do so. Now, where to put all the files? First of all, you see here for the video, for the image to video, you need more files. So let me show you where to put all of them. First of all, you have here the clip vision. Okay, clip vision is needed for the video, for the image to video. You copy it, you download it from clip vision here. You see here one, very simple to save it. Next, You have the model itself. Now you have here multiple models of the image to video. It's they are all taking a lot of memory and a lot of processing power. They don't have 1.3 billion like in the previous in the text to video. So any of them will take you a lot of memory. The 720 will take you a little more. The 480 will take you a little less, but still they are all they're killing my machine literally, and it's a very strong machine. Okay, so we need to copy the one that you actually want. If you're a slow machine, take the SP8 versions and you copy it to the UNet, and you can just put them here, VAE, which you can find it here. You see? And the text encoder, the text encoder itself, you have it here, you just copy it here. Okay, it's very important to have them. Good, this is for the install. Now, after you copy it to the right place and your config was upgraded and everything is fine, you can press the R button and it will upgrade and update all the list of models, and then you can see all the models that you copied in the same place, in the correct place, and then you can select them. Now let's see the actual model, how it's running and all of the parts. So that was the previous workflow, the text to video, and this is the image to video. Now here I generated an image using another model. You can see here in the workflow. So I use the better than words model, and I generate the image, and then I feed the image that I got to the other model, to the video model. Okay, and you can see the time. So to render that image took me 5 to 6 seconds, so it's nothing. So here you can see that it took 1053 seconds, yeah, which is actually around 20 minutes or 18, 19 minutes to render it, okay? And you got this one. And it did a very good job. Look the original, and this is the video. Very good one, very, very good one. So the initial image, the starting image here, it's very important, and it's better to be done with a different model. Okay, so the workflow here, it's very simple, and it's just like the previous one with some more adjustment. First of all, I'm taking the same prompt and give it to the better than word, the SDXL, the model. Plus, I get taking the same one and give it to the Wan model, which you can see I'm taking the actual image that I got, pass it to the one image to video. Okay, and also I give it clip vision, and the clip vision you can take it from the origin, from the installation place. If I would go back to the Hugging Face, when I have all the files, you can see here clip vision, and you need to take this one, and we need it. Okay, so we need this to make the image working. You load it in the load clip vision, pass it here, and just continue and pass it to the next place. Okay. Now it's interesting that they are taking the prompt, the clip, pass it to the one, and then pass it forward. I wonder if here the positive and negative got any difference. I don't know. Okay, and then you just get out the image. It's very simple, but it takes long time, right? It's like, and on the 4090 it takes me almost 20 minutes, so it will take you maybe more, because the amount of memory that I got here is 42 gigabytes for this image, and if you take the 8 bits, it will take you, it's half of the memory, but still you need a very strong machine that need only 25 gigabytes for the 8-bit version, only for that needs. Now, because it will eat your entire GPU memory. So it ate my entire GPU and gave it a 24. It took the entire 24, and then it started to move from the RAM to the GPU all the time. And this is the thing that took more time. If I had 48 gigabytes on the GPU, maybe it will finish it much faster. Okay, that's it. Thank you very much. I hope it helped you.